Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a healthy lifestyle with Weight Watchers, detailed guide step by step clearly. To create a healthy lifestyle with Weight Watchers, begin by understanding the program's core principles. Visit the Weight Watchers website or app to sign up and choose the plan that best fits your needs. Familiarize yourself with the points system, which assigns values to foods based on their nutritional content. Start tracking your food intake using the app or a journal to monitor your daily points. Make a list of healthy foods you enjoy that fit within your points allowance. Plan your meals for the week, incorporating the healthy options you've identified. Keep portion sizes in check by using measuring cups or a food scale as needed. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Incorporate physical activity into your routine, aiming for at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise each week. Join a local or online Weight Watchers community to find support and share experiences. Experiment with new recipes and cooking methods to keep meals exciting and delicious. Regularly revisit your goals to ensure they remain clear and motivating. Celebrate small victories along the way to maintain motivation and a positive mindset. Consider keeping a journal to reflect on your progress and any challenges you face. If you hit a plateau, evaluate your routine and make necessary adjustments to your diet or exercise. Remember that consistency is key to achieving a sustainable healthy lifestyle with Weight Watchers. Engage with resources like webinars and workshops offered by Weight Watchers for additional support. Stay flexible and allow yourself occasional treats to maintain balance in your diet. Measure your progress not just in numbers but in how you feel physically and emotionally. Finally, commit to embracing this lifestyle change as a long-term journey rather than a quick fix. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.